called static imbalance and dynamic imbalance. The imbalance shown in the current example is known as a static imbalance and features a combined heavy spot or an imbalance to the wheel, noted in blue, and to the tire, noted in green. As the tire rotates, the centrifugal forces of the imbalance cause the wheel to hop when the heavy spot reaches the top of the rotation and causes the wheel to slip when it reaches the bottom of the rotation. This condition is known as wheel tramp. If left unchecked, wheel tramp will produce uneven wear patterns on the tires and cause a severe up and down vibration while driving at highway speeds. To correct this problem, a wheel weight of some type must be applied to the light spot, or the opposite side of the imbalance, in order to equal out the weight distribution of the assembly. With the wheel weight applied, the static imbalance is corrected, and the wheel assembly can now spin with perfect balance. Dynamic imbalance is characterized as being an imbalance on the outside and/or inside of the assembly as it rotates around the side center line, shown in our example as a green square on the outside of the center line. As the tire rotates with uneven weight distribution, the centrifugal forces of the imbalance cause the wheel assembly to throw the heavy spots outward when they reach the outermost points of the rotation. As the wheel assembly throws the heavy spots outward, a severe side-to-side wobble is evident. Dynamic imbalance becomes even more of a problem when there is an imbalance present on both sides of the center line. Sometimes these imbalances are side by side, and other times they are located at completely different locations on the tire. When at full speed, this wobble is known as wheel shimmy and becomes most evident when the wheel is being turned around a curve. At highway speeds, wheel shimmy can produce a severe side-to-side motion and do severe damage to vehicle suspension systems. To correct this problem, weight must be applied to the opposite side of the imbalance on both sides of the wheel assembly in order to equal out the weight distribution. This is shown on our example as two red squares, which turn gray when they are on the back side of the tire. With the weights applied, the dynamic imbalance is corrected, and the wheel assembly can now spin perfectly balanced. When discussing the causes of wheel imbalance,